वो आते हैं पलाकाड विधानसभा से, केरला से, श्री शफी पैरम्बिल, जिन्हें मैं सादर आमंत्रित करूंगी आपकी तालियों के बीच आदर्श युवा विधायक पुरस्कार से सम्मानित करने के लिए। श्री शफी पैरम्बिल, जिन्होंने राजनीति को समाज सेवा और सामाजिक उत्थान की दिशा में काम किया और आज हमारे युवा विधायक पुरस्कार से सम्मानित हो रहे हैं। आपकी तालियों के साथ हम इन युवा विधायक को सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। मैं उनसे आग्रह करूंगी कि वो 2 शब्द कहें। श्री शफी पैरम्बिल।
If I can get some young man with heart and energy, I can revolutionize the whole country, was the words of Swami Vivekananda. On the eve of Swamiji's birthday and National Youth Day, I am privileged and it's my honor to be here in front of the political youth leaders of the country, our Mother India. I know it's not a personal recognition for me, but it's an inspiration for you and me to work harder and to make a deeper impact on society. I would like to request, rather I would like to thank and congratulate Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad and School of Government MIT for inspiring youth across from the country to strengthen our democracy. As Amir Khan says in PK, I too believe there is some wrong numbers in politics also. But blaming that, you cannot keep away from politics. I would like to request you to come up to politics. Let us do a democracy, a hope of democracy. Let us join a politics of hope. We can make it right. Who else other than you will make the system of the country right? You have all the power to do that. So better you come in. You pour in. You come in with fresh energy and you can make the system right. You can transform the system to right. We are not here to create a India for Hindus, not create a India for Muslims, not create a India for Christians, but to create and stay strong for a secular India. That is our fabric that has to be maintained. Why we are not concerned when a senior citizen of this country find it difficult to pay his hospital bills, even if it's not your grandfather and grandmother? Why we don't have a pain when a child in a remote village of this country find it difficult to go to school, if it's not your brother, if it's not your sister? We can do that. We are not for us, we are for all. We have to be stay for all. My dear friends, you can do that. It's your age, it's your power, it's your vision that help us to build a new India that we seek. Don't just blame, don't just sit and blame the system, but come in and make the system right. You have all the right to do that. You have all the power to do that. Believe in yourself. And to my dear sisters, there will be discussions going on for 33%, 50%, 60%, 99%. Don't wait for time and tide. You come up to the system. Have you seen Sonia Chowdhury in front of us few minutes before? Have you know a girl? Have you know a boy who has faced much bigger challenge than her? Have you seen? Do you know a boy who has reached the heights of Malala Yousafzai at her age? Do you know a prime minister as strong as Indira Gandhi was in India? So don't wait for reservations and all. Let that happen. I also wish it happened. But if nobody opens the door when you knock, my request you is to that, just build a door and come in. Don't wait others to open the door. you can build a door and come in. And I'm very much happy to be here, privileged to be here. My wishes to you all. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. Let us be the change we seek. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शफी पैरम्बिल। ये दरवाजा हमको खुद ही खोलना होगा और उम्मीदों की राजनीति में आप सबका स्वागत है, ऐसा संदेश। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शफी पैरम्बिल।